Hi, this is Kirk Mickelson with KRM Development and Tanzanite Homes. I'm standing in the Waterford Landing development in Urbandale. We currently have 9 home sites available here. We have 2 walkout lots, we have 7 flat lots. This is on the northwest sector of Urbandale. It's about 5 minutes from the Radiant Point Elementary School, within about 10-15 minutes of the Waukee Middle Schools, along with the new Waukee High School that'll be opening the end of this summer. We currently have 4 homes under construction in here that are for sale in our Tanzanite Select line. We're also building in our Tanzanite Silver Series in this development. Very close proximity to the trail system, as well as several parks, and about 10 to 15 minutes from Interstate 80. If you'd be interested in building in Waterford Landing or want more information on home sites or floor plans, feel free to reach out to us through our website or give us a call at the office. Thank you.